me why I no go proud, why I no go carry you for head, why I no go marry you instead, why will you go shine, why will you go turn it for my bed, can nigga spend all the bread, so give me
Bekenet Joseph. I'm a software developer and a forex trader, and I have been developing software for a long time. You understand? When it comes to forex tools, I have been developing it. So today I brought a brand new product, that is changing the way traders are doing things in the market. Like, is a mind-blowing software. Believe me, is a mind blow. I've been developing softwares, robots for a very long time. You understand? But this is out of the world. It's as simple as ABCD. So long you can read, you'll be able to use it. Believe me, it's as simple as ABC. This is software that has at least 85% accuracy, like, as in, is mind-blowing. You understand? It's something I cannot just explain. If you're in my Telegram group, you'll be able to see the performance of this software. It's mind-blowing. It's very simple. How does this software work? It's just a simple price action that sells from the top. It sells from the top. When it's selling from the top, meaning that your stop loss is not going to be more than 20 pips, 30 pips maximum. 20 pips, 30 pips maximum. Is buying from the bottom. Your stop loss is not going to be more than 20 pips, 30 pips maximum. It gives you the required time to enter into the market. Now, this software is divided into two. Now, we have the expert advisor. Now, this expert advisor, gives you the exact price. Let's say you're trading with Euro USD. It will tell you that price is going to sell at 143.999. You understand? 1.3.999. It will tell you now, place your stop loss above the previous high. It's as simple as that. Now, you don't need to take the trade yet. There's another confirmation message, which is called the Bekenet trend confirmation software. Now, this other software has two functions. Number one, it tells you if the market is consolidating, if it's trending, is it a bullish market or is it a bearish market, and it gives you the key levels for that day that you're going to take note of, because price tend to react to those key levels. You understand? You can use them as your stop loss. You can use them as your take profit. We have the X1, we have the R1, we have the R2, we have the R3. There are most times price get to R2. When you get to R2 and you get a signal to buy, to sell, R2 is at the top. That means the price has already got into the ceiling. It's not going anywhere down to drop. That's why you see a massive drop. You understand? Price has gotten to the highest level of that resistance for that day, or the lowest level of that resistance of that day, which is S2. You understand? That's by the way. So for you to use this software, all you need to do is just fund your account, rent the robot. Rent it is as cheap as any other thing. It's just $100 per month, of which you'll be able to use it to generate a lot of money, most especially if you are a prop firm trader. It's mostly designed for prop firm trader. You understand? You'll be able to cash in back to back past your proprietary firm as easy as ABCD. Now, you don't need to install it. It doesn't trade for you. It only sends you notification to your mobile phone, like an SMS on your mobile MT5. There's a place for messenger. So whenever the system sees a setup, it will just send you a notification. You don't need to be looking at your chart or waiting for this to cross this or this to do this. No, it's pure price action that uses Fibonacci. You know, Fibonacci is part of everything that exists in the world. It's a number based that even nature uses it to create us. You understand? Those are Fibonacci, but those are codes. We get to we tested different kind of code to be able to predict if this market is going to fall or is going to rise. That's what the function of the expert advisor. It scans through the market every 15 minutes to know that price has gotten to this place so year, meaning that it's going to drop. Price has gotten to this place so year, meaning that it's going to rise. You understand? That's what it does. But for you to be successful with this software, you have to use both. You compare both. Now, if the trend confirmation software is telling you that the market is bearish, your mind is going to be looking for a sell opportunity. Once you have that sell, you go. Now, the difference between comparing both, it's not as if you get a buy opportunity from the expert advisor and the trend confirmation is telling you bearish. It's just telling you that the market is about to retrace. It's just a short buy. Then you see a pull. That's why I tell people, wait for both of them to align. You understand? To align. You might get a buy from the trend confirm the expert advisor, while your trend confirmation is telling you sell. It's just a retracement. It's going up, definitely is going to fall back. So always respect your trend confirmation software, then wait for the expert advisor to tell you the exact price for you to buy or sell. Once you do that, you risk less. You understand? Like the way I trade with it, whenever I'm 20 pips, 10 pips in profit, I lock my profits. I break even, I allow it to ride. You understand? That is how it is. This software is out of it. Like last week on Friday or so, a client challenged me, asked me if this software can actually trade with a small account, because he has been seeing big figure that I post, like prop firm account. And he was asking me if he can trade $50, $10. I told him I've used this software to generate signal that turned $7 to $45. I posted it on my YouTube channel and he challenged me. I told him I'm going to deposit $11 into this account, a new account, and which the next day it was already turning into 30 something dollars. And if you look Euro, GBP, USD, as at on Thursday evening, it was at the bottom, and that's why I got the signal. If you look at it today, it's over 100 pips for that Friday. That's what the signal can do. You understand? I had to send the video to him. It's mind blowing. You understand? So if you are a trader, you're struggling. You understand? You don't know how to generate signal, or you do know how to generate signal, you're not confident with it. Bekenet trading software will be able to guide you. Will tell you that this is a buy, this is a trending market, these are the pivot level that you need to use to trade. So with that, you'll be able to know what you're doing. You can use it to pass your proprietary firm. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just $100 per month, at which you'll be able to regain that money even in less than a week. I have a client that just had a proprietary firm of over $100,000, and he rented it just 5 days ago on Monday or so. You understand? He made over $11,000. This is no joke. He made over $11,000 out of it. Now, the $100 he used in renting the room, he has made it times 3. He has passed the proprietary firm. So this software is one out of a million of what I have developed myself. I can tell you that what I've developed myself is out of a million. Now, I got a lot of people asking, why cannot let's automate it so that it can be trading for you? Now, the difference between automating a robot, I have both, but I'm not promoting the other one because it's not as efficient as this. They all use the same strategy, the same from bottom and top, and all, use previous data and all those stuff. But the difference between the automated one is that it doesn't know when to close in profit. But if you're using this trend confirmation software with the expert advisor, you'll be able to know I'm done for the day, I can close my profit. But if you leave that one to run for you, you might be in profit for 100 pips, but it will close with 30 pips. That is, and it doesn't know how to go out of the market when there is news. So I always advise people, if you're using my software, don't trade news, because news is not predictable. You cannot use it to trade. If you look at my channel, I always close around 2 o'clock before US news comes up. I don't trade news. You understand? I trade simple charts. Once I get my signal, I place trade. I hustle from Asia, London to New York. Once it's 2 and I know news is coming up, I close all my trades. So I tell people, don't trade news with my software if you want to get 100% accuracy of it. So that's it. So if you're interested in this software, there's a link below my Telegram group. You can join. I send free channels there, free signals there from the software. You can subscribe to this channel to get more products, to get more information about my product. And if you're interested to get the robot, you can contact me. I'll send you make payment, I'll send you the software, configure it for you, get your MetaQuote ID. You will just be getting signal on your mobile phone without stress. Once you get the signal, you place your trade. That is how the robot works. See you another time. See you again. Thank you.